Imagine earning $20,000 a month without grinding away at a 9-to-5. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, where your money works for you. Stay tuned as we uncover 7 proven strategies to generate substantial passive income. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start making money on your terms. Automate a side hustle. Transforming a side hustle into a digital asset, like a blog, ebook, or online course, can create ongoing income. Platforms like Hostinger make building and hosting websites easy. The idea is to create something once and sell it repeatedly without needing to put in more effort each time. For instance, by pricing a digital product at $25, you need to make 4 sales a week to achieve $100. Promoting the product through TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram can help reach this goal. The advantage here is that the financial cost is low, and it's more dependent on time investment. You also have the potential for high scalability and profit margins. On the downside, it requires considerable time and effort to set up initially, and success depends on marketing and the ability to attract customers. Digital assets can be a goldmine if you have valuable knowledge or skills to share. The initial effort can pay off massively as your content gains traction. With effective marketing strategies, your digital product can reach a global audience, significantly increasing your potential earnings. Create online content. Starting a YouTube channel or creating content on social media can generate income through ads and sponsorships. The key is to focus on quality content and find a niche that attracts a dedicated audience. Consistency and engagement are crucial to building a loyal following that can turn into a reliable income stream. After reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, content creators can start earning from ads. Within a few months, the channel can make more than $100 per day. This option has high earning potential with low initial cost, and it offers creative freedom and enjoyment. However, it's extremely time-consuming to produce high-quality content, and it's highly competitive, requiring consistent effort. Online content creation allows you to leverage your creativity and personality, making it a fulfilling way to earn passive income. As your channel grows, opportunities for sponsorships and collaborations can further boost your earnings, making this a highly lucrative option. Invest in stocks. One of the most reliable ways to earn passive income is through investing in dividend stocks. Companies like Starbucks, Pepsi, and McDonald's are well known for their consistent dividend payouts. By putting your money into these stocks, you can receive regular income without much effort. For example, Starbucks stock offers an average annual dividend yield of 2.4%. To earn $100 per week from this dividend, you would need to invest approximately $216,666. This substantial amount might be challenging for someone who is just beginning their investment journey. The great thing about dividend stocks is that once you invest, there's a low time commitment. You get regular and predictable income from dividends. However, you do need a significant initial investment to generate substantial income. Plus, there's always market risk and the potential for stock value fluctuation. Dividend stocks offer a steady stream of income. But remember, the stock market can be unpredictable. It's crucial to diversify and research your investments thoroughly. Investing in a mix of different sectors can help mitigate risks and ensure that your income stream remains stable even if one sector underperforms. Private investing. Becoming an angel investor or a shark by investing in promising startups can yield significant passive income. This form of investing is not just about providing capital, but also about leveraging your business expertise to help these startups grow. The potential returns are high if the business succeeds. However, there's always the risk of losing the entire investment. It's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the market and business model of the startups you're investing in to minimize risks. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services through affiliate links can generate commissions. Successful affiliate marketing relies heavily on the relationship you build with your audience and the relevance of the products you promote. For example, let's say you start a blog focused on fitness and wellness. By joining affiliate programs for health products, you can earn commissions every time someone buys through your links. Suppose each sale earns you a $10 commission. By recommending quality products and generating 10 sales a week, you could make $100 weekly. With affiliate marketing, there's no need for product creation, and the startup costs are minimal. However, it does require time to build an audience and establish trust. Affiliate marketing is perfect for those with a knack for sales and a platform to reach potential customers. It's all about trust and providing real value. By selecting products that align with your niche and audience interests, you can maximize your earnings and create a steady income stream. Create a digital tool. Developing software or digital tools to solve specific problems can create significant passive income. Identifying a market need, partnering with a coder, and seeking investment are necessary steps. This approach requires a blend of technical skills and business acumen to ensure that the tool you create addresses a genuine need and has a clear market. For instance, charging $20 per month for a digital tool and gaining 20 customers would result in $100 per week. This can scale up significantly with more customers and higher pricing. The earning potential here is high with recurring revenue, and you also have the ability to sell the business for a large sum. However, it requires significant time and financial investment, and there's always the risk of the product not being well received. Digital tools can be highly profitable, especially if they address a niche problem effectively. The development phase is intensive, but can lead to a lucrative business. Once developed, your digital tool can provide ongoing revenue with minimal additional effort, making it a powerful source of passive income. Rent out your stuff. Renting out assets like driveways, storage spaces, vehicles, or camera gear can generate passive income. Platforms like Fat Llama, Turo, and Airbnb can help match items with potential renters. This strategy is about making money from things you already own, turning them into income-generating assets. For example, renting out a spare room in your house on Airbnb can easily make you $100 per week. Even if you only rent it out for weekends, at $50 per night, you're already hitting your goal. Renting out tools you rarely use can also contribute to passive income. This method utilizes existing assets to generate income with minimal time investment once listed. However, there is always the potential risk of damage to rented items, which may require additional insurance or maintenance. By listing your items on multiple platforms and optimizing your listings, you can maximize your rental income and ensure a steady stream of revenue. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies.